You guys asked for it, and it is finally happening. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am officially launching the brand new fitness line for Hot and Classy Styles Boutique, AC Sculpt Activewear. But more importantly, I am showing you the exact step-by-step blueprint of how I connected Tapstitch to a brand new wig store. And along the way, I discovered a massive secret. So many of you have commented saying you can't find your $20 Tapstitch sign up credit. I realize you don't actually get the credit dropped into your account until you officially hit launch on your storefront. In this video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my exact setup. We are adding the fitness products, triggering that credit ordering, the first official samples, and doing a live quality test right here on camera so you can know exactly what you're getting before you spend a single dime. Let's get right into it. So step one is connecting the platforms. Inside your Wix dashboard or your Tapstitch, you're going to navigate to your apps, search for Tapstitch if you're in Wix, and authorize the connection. You can do this from Tapstitch too. Once you do this, design clothes inside of Tapstitch is a breeze because they populate right into your storefront. I added our new sports bras and high-waisted leggings, mapped out the pricing so that we can maintain a clean profit margin and hit sync. Now for the magic trick you've all been waiting for, unlocking that $20 credit. I want to show you guys something real quick because I like to be completely transparent with you. Look at my partner dashboard right here. We have like 56 people who have signed up for Tapstitch using my link just in the last month. People want to change their lives and build a brand, but look right under it. Conversions are at 0%. That means 56 of you are sitting on the sidelines waiting, and no one has actually launched yet. And I know exactly why you're waiting. You're logging in, looking around and saying, Sharon, where's my $20 sign up credit? I don't see it in my wallet. Here's the secret. Tapstitch doesn't just drop free money into an empty, inactive account. You have to actually take action and launch your brand. And the second I officially hit publish on my Wix store, Tapstitch recognized the store was active. Boom, the $20 credit was instantly unlocked and sitting in my wallet. Look, stop letting fear hold you back from testing your brand's quality. Step 2 of this process is ordering your physical sample. Never sell an item to a customer without doing a test order and feeling it first. I use my newly unlocked $20 credit to place the sample order for our fitness line, which is basically made the sample cost next to nothing, but I ordered a little more. So let's fast forward to the package arriving so I can prove to you why you need to get your samples ordered right away. So step 3 is the moment of truth, receiving and inspecting the merchandise. The package just arrived, so let's see if AC Sculpt passes the test. Looking at the stitching on this jacket and gem set is completely secure, no cheap loose threads. The custom tags look highly professional. The logo print is crisp, and most importantly, for fitness gear, it passes the squat test and isn't see-through at all. The material is thick, super stretchy, and feels incredible. Tapstitch definitely delivered on the quality for this launch. Launching a brand takes steps, but doing it with the right tools make it completely realistic. Stop sitting on your sign up, launch that store, unlock your credit, and order your sample to test that quality for yourself. I've left my direct partnership link down in the description box below so you can secure a 10% discount on your first order and trigger your $20 credit the second you launch. Comment below if you want a marketing breakdown on how I plan to get the first sales for this fitness line. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you. Before I go, I just want to say, guys, I stepped out and did it. At first I didn't understand how to do the $20 credit, but once I launched my store, the $20 credit was there. My daughter also launched her store, and she got her first her sample she got for free. I ordered a little bit more, so it just took $20 credit off of my order because I want to test out, a few pieces, which I'm ordering more just to see how other pieces look and feel to me. So guys, don't wait, launch your store. I am excited to see, my first sales, and you guys will get to see that, and I'll see y'all in the next one.